Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to pay at a T-Mobile bill for someone else. So it's very easy. You just come here to tmobile.com, come to account resources. Okay, now here I want you to come and click on guest pay. Okay, instead of pay your bill or all of these other options, click on guest pay. It will redirect you to this page where you have to enter a T-Mobile phone or account number. Okay, enter that, confirm your number, and then go ahead and do this CAPTCHA. And then I want you to go ahead and click on continue. Then they'll ask you to put in your credit card information, right? Your credit card number, your expiration date, and the CVV code. And then you can go ahead and pay for them. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided advice to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in